Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? So today's video is an unboxing of November's GlossyBox. I'm so excited for this box. So this is my third box. So I've been so impressed with the previous two that I'm really excited to see what's in this month's box. So if you want to see what's in November's box, keep on watching. So the box comes like this, very pink and pretty. So that's the spoilers. I don't want to see what's inside. I love to just dive in and find out for myself. So it's sealed, so it's got a little sticker on here. So let's open up and see what's inside. Wow. Okay, this looks amazing. So there is a quick sneak peek for you. Let's see what we've got. So I have to grab this thing first because it is calling to me. So it looks like Willy Wonka's golden ticket. Oh, that'd be nice, wouldn't it? So it is LA Splash Cosmetics and it is an eyeshadow palette. Oh, okay. Packaging is really nice. So look, if I open it up, that is lovely. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a nice palette. Very nice palette. So we've got 5 matte shades and we have got 3 shimmers and they are stunning. So I'm gonna do it like this. So black is always very handy to have in any palette, but you can see the shimmers down here. So that is a very lovely palette. I think I can make some really pretty looks with that. So I'm going to swatch some of the colours because I just want to see what the palette is like and what the quality is like. So I'm going to start with Rose Quartz. Beautiful. That is very good quality. Now that just went on so easily, so smoothly. You can see there's no patchiness in there at all. That is exactly what you want from an eyeshadow. So just for comparison's sake, I am going to swatch the other 2 shimmers just so that we can sort of have a look and see what they all look like together. So this one is Citrine. Again, that just went on so easily. Beautiful, such a rich gold. Cannot complain at all about that. And then the next one is called Amber, and this is, so we've got a rose gold, gold, and then this one looks to be like a copper. Wow, that is amazing. Truly beautiful. Look, just wow. Just wow. So sometimes in boxes like these and they give you eyeshadow palettes, they're not always the best payoff. I know I've had previous boxes, not GlossyBox, but I have had previous boxes that give eyeshadow palettes and they've just been really wishy-washy. Colour payoff is very patchy, just not any good for anyone. This, on the other hand, is the complete opposite to them. This is a palette I would use every day. This is a palette I would use in my tutorials, and you know what, I think I probably will. So if you wasn't aware, I actually do makeup tutorials as well. That's where I sort of started out, and now I've moved on to sort of unboxings as well, but I still do makeup application because I love it. So if you want to see some of them videos, I will leave a card up here, I think it will be. Click on that and it will take you through to my channel so you can see some of my playlists. There might be other videos in there that you like, and if you do, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. So I just want to check some of the mattes out as well. Before I say it is an absolutely brilliant palette, I just want to double check that the mattes are good as well. So let's try them. So I'm going to start with let's start with Tiger Eye. Let's put that here. So not as pigmented as the shimmers, but still that is a blend that I could work with. Yep, not a problem with that at all. I'm going to swatch the black because blacks can be very tricky. So they can either be super pigmented or you find that they're very chalky and patchy. So let's try the black. Yep, I'm really happy with that. So I am really impressed with that. I really like that palette. So far, so good. So next up we have Purple Moonstone Glitter Gel Mask. Oh, I can actually see it. Okay, so it is by the company Q Bella, and it is Recharge and Restore. So it says recharge mind and rejuvenate the skin. So it says dermatologically tested. Use this hydrating mask to help leave your skin looking radiant. Contains skin conditioning caffeine and cleansing charcoal powder. It will help to rejuvenate and revive the skin. Enriched with moonstone extract and glitter particles to help leave your skin feeling fresh and bright. Yeah, really happy with this. So the next item is a Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Oh, so it says refine, brighten, illuminate and nurture. To use, apply an even layer to clean dry skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tighten. Use water to gently rinse off your mask in circular motions, then lightly pat your skin dry. Oh, okay. So it says it's made in Australia. So let's have a sniff. So it has got a little seal on it, so I know no one else has been playing with it. It's got a very pleasant smell. Okay, I'm looking forward to trying that. I love skincare, so I'm definitely going to try that one. So next product up is from the brand Husk Clean Beauty, and it is a repairing deep conditioner. So it says it strengthens and restores dry, damaged hair. So that is, do you know what, that looks really good. I love the way it comes in the packaging. It's very luxe looking. I can feel that there is a very generous amount in there, so that should do all my hair. So if you look, my hair is very long, so it is all the way down to my bum, and I think that that is going to be fine. I think that's probably going to be enough to use on my entire head, so I'm really looking forward to trying that. I do suffer badly with my hair. It is dry and it is damaged, and I'm always looking for a new product to use that will sort of help get it back to a really healthy stage. So hopefully this is going to be the product that does it for me. So we've only got one item left. Okay, and it comes in this packaging. So it says Spectrum Zodiac. Oh my god, I think it is a makeup brush. Okay, slightly disappointed. If you can see that there, the bristles are hanging out, which is not good. So let's open this up. The bristles are slightly sort of disformed just where it's been in that packaging, but I should be able to straighten that out, not a problem. So this is a Spectrum B07 brush, and it is a blending brush. So that feels really pleasant. Let's do this. Yep, no bristles are coming out, which means it is set in there really well. So that is good. And it feels soft, and it feels soft but firm enough to be a good blending brush. So really pleased with that. I'm really happy to get an eyeshadow brush. I have got a ton of brushes, okay? I mean, that's just some of them. I've got more here, and I have got more elsewhere in drawers. Being a makeup channel, I can never have enough brushes, so really pleased to have another blending brush. So guys, that's everything inside November's GlossyBox, and yet again I am so impressed. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button down below, turn your notification bell on, that way you get notified when I upload, and I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah!